Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we're going to compare two cards that can help you build credit, the Chime Builder card and the Upgrade Basic card. We will compare their rewards program, benefits and drawbacks, redemption options, and other things you should know before applying. Let's start. Chime has built its entire brand around helping its customers to improve their credit and finances. So it should come as no surprise that Chime should offer a secured credit card. Called Credit Builder, this card offers an easy way to build or rebuild your credit, and it is used in conjunction with the other Chime banking products, which include a checking account and savings account. There is no annual fee and no credit check required, making this an ideal card if you don't have a credit history. Upgrade offers personal loans as well as a number of credit card options, but the base card is a secured option that is most appropriate for those who have poor or no credit. The primary aim of this card is to help improve credit, and there are no fees. You can qualify for a credit line of up to $50,000 with no account opening fees or security deposits. As with the Chime card, there are no rewards associated with this card, but it is an affordable option if you want to build or fix your credit. Let's review the main perks each card offers. Combination credit card and personal line of credit. This card offers the convenience of a credit card with a personal line of credit payment plan. If you make a purchase, unless you pay for it in full before the end of your billing cycle, you can have fixed monthly installments to pay down the subsequent balance. No fees. Not only is there no annual fee or late fees, but you can also use your upgrade card abroad and not incur any foreign transaction fees. This is a superb feature for those who have been struggling to manage their credit, simply because minimum payments take very little off the outstanding balance. $0 fraud liability. You have the reassurance that you will not be held financially responsible for any unauthorized charges. No credit check. Many credit cards, even the secured ones, still initiate a hard pull on your credit report upon application. This can drop your credit score, even if you are approved for your new card. However, Chime will not check your credit, making it a good card to build credit. You can adjust your credit limit. The funds that you move across from your Chime spending account into your credit builder is the amount you have available to spend. You can set up an automatic transfer each time you get paid or move money manually. The transfers take less than 1 minute, so you can use your credit card to make your purchases. No interest. Since you cannot spend more than the available amount in your credit builder account, there are no interest charges. In essence, this card acts like a prepaid reloadable debit card, which prevents you from getting into debt. Maxing out won't impact your credit. If you're trying to build your credit score, you need to be aware of your credit utilization ratio. However, with this card, your credit utilization is not reported to the credit bureaus. The only way your card usage could damage your credit is if your payments are late. As with all credit card options, there are both positives and negatives associated with these cards. It is important to be aware of these potential card drawbacks so you can make an informed financial decision. Weak user interface. Some customers have had issues using the card website and app. The interface is not particularly intuitive or user-friendly. Upgrade has acknowledged these concerns and has stated that it is working on making changes. No reward benefits. Unlike other upgrade card options, this card does not have any cashback or sign-up bonuses, so unless you have less than average credit, the other upgrade cards represent a better deal. Need a Chime spending account. There is a link between the Chime Credit Builder card and a Chime spending account. It is not possible to open a card account only, as you'll need to transfer money from your spending account to fund your card. No upgrade possibilities. While Chime's card can help you to build and improve your credit, once you have a better score, there is no other Chime card to move up to. So there is little reason to continue with this card, and you'll need to open a brand new account with a different issuer. However, building your score may take some time. It doesn't build good credit card management skills. Although the card makes it easy to stick to a budget and pay your bill on time, it does function very differently from a conventional credit card. This means that you will not gain any experience with revolving balances. The upgrade card is a great option that could be good if you don't have a security deposit. Unlike with the Chime card, you don't need to put funds into the account to set your credit limit. upgrade will set your credit limit at up to $50,000, which makes it ideal for those who don't have cash to act as a security deposit. You want the card for travel. Since this card is a Visa card, it is widely accepted around the world. Additionally, you don't need to worry about foreign transaction fees, as they are not charged with this card. You may need to carry a balance. The card is a hybrid credit card and line of credit. This means that if you are not able to pay off the entire balance, you can pay down your balance each month with a fixed rate and equal monthly payments. However, you'll pay more on interest charges. The Chime Card can be a good fit for your needs if you're looking for. You want an integrated banking experience. The Chime Card is designed to work with the Chime spending account, which will help you to integrate your entire banking experience. Chime has a checking account and a savings account, along with the credit builder card that can help those with poor or no credit. You have regular income. This card works best when you can regularly transfer funds into your credit builder account. This will allow you to use your card for regular purchases and then pay your balance at the end of the billing period. This kind of activity will be reported to the credit bureaus to help improve your credit score. You want a flexible credit limit. You can set your own credit limit by transferring funds into your credit builder account. This is ideal if you will need a higher credit limit at certain times and other occasions when you won't need as much. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. On our website, you'll be able to compare the best cards, read additional reviews, and find guides that can help you choose your credit card wisely. What is your favorite card? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them on the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial videos.